Hi, I'm Meris with Level Up RN, and I'm so excited today to introduce you to our brand new tip of the day perpetual flip calendar. I am obsessed with this product. I think it is amazing. I think it is the perfect gift for the nursing student, nurse educator, or working nurse in your life. And I'm really excited to show it to you and explain how it works. So this is the product itself. This is how it's going to come to you. It's going to look just like this, but it has this handy dandy little stand in the back that pops out. So when you pop it out, now it's going to be able to stand up on a desk. But for the sake of simplicity, I'm just going to keep it folded while I show you. So the way that this works is that we have, and there's a little explainer here in case you need it once you get your copy, but we have here tips of the day that are written and they correlate to specific months and days, but they don't have a year associated. So unlike a cheaper tear-off calendar that you can only use for 1 year, you can use this one over and over. So you can see here we have a tip for January 1st. We have it color-coded here based on what deck it comes from. This one comes from psychiatric mental health nursing, and it also tells you which deck section. So in particular, this tip comes from the principles section of our psychiatric mental health deck. You'll also see here that we pulled out a cool chicken that goes along with our tip of the day, and you will have at least one cool chicken hint every week. We designed it that way on purpose so that you can get a little device to help you remember it, a little memory trick, at least once a week, sometimes more. And then all you will do is flip it over. And now you're on to January 2nd. You're going to keep going through the deck like this, and you'll see that each deck has its own corresponding color at the top, so you'll get pretty familiar with that as you start to use the calendar. And once you get towards the end here, you're going to get all the way to the end. July 1st is here. That's the halfway mark. You're going to flip it over and then turn it around. And now you're on to July 2nd, and then you will start working the opposite way. And that will get you all the way back to December. When you get to December, you're gonna have December 31st here. You're gonna flip it over one more time. You're back to January 1st and you flip it over. These tips, we have 366 of them to account, of course, for leap years as well. And these were curated by our team of expert nurses and nurse educators. We wrote way more tips than these, but we picked these in particular because we feel that these are the most helpful tips to not only help you understand concepts in nursing school, but also to help you to be a safe working nurse. So this is meant to not only get you through nursing school with these little memory tricks and help you with these key facts that you might forget as you move throughout the program, but it's also designed to help you as a working nurse or a nurse educator be reacquainted with these important topics. For instance, I'm an emergency room nurse. I am very familiar with critical care topics, med surg topics, but something I don't see a lot of in my personal clinical practice would be pediatrics or maternity. So by having this calendar on my desk, I'm going to be able to be reminded of those important concepts that I may have to use sometimes, but may not think about or have to use frequently. So this is a fantastic product to not only be a really cool, fun conversation starter on your desk, to help you keep track of time, of course, but also to help you learn these really important facts, high yield concepts that are going to help you get through your nursing school content, through the Nclex, and your time as a working nurse in the field. I'm so excited to hear what you think about this product. I think it's amazing, and I'm really excited to hear your feedback. Thanks so much, and happy studying.
I invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. If you found value in this video, be sure to hit the like button and leave us a comment and let us know what you found particularly helpful.